This is Sherry from Share Bear Cottage. How's everybody doing today? Hope you're having a great day. Welcome to the cottage. We love to have you here. And I'm going to zoom up on these a little bit so I can show you what I have been doing. I've been making paper beads of all things. Paper beads. This one was an experiment, but it's a nice big flat bead. We'll go up to a next other bead and then up to another bead. Maybe not these kind, but sort of like that. I've been making beads for the sides of my journals, the dangles, and for the tassels that I'm going to be making. These in this little bin here have all been layered with 2 layers of diamond glaze. And I believe that these pink ones are some of my favorites. I do have all kinds of, cap ends to put on these. I just haven't done it yet. But I just wanted to show you to see if you liked them, to see if you'd like to know how to do them. This one turned out great. It's a nice round bead. I love these. These are just great. Excuse me. So let me know. I've got all kinds. I've got dark ones. I love some of the dark ones the best. And I've used some Christmas paper, like this right here is Christmas paper. All kinds of beads on here. These have not been, these are just raw. They haven't had any kind of sealing on it yet. But these are all different kinds of Christmas paper that I've made. I do have a couple in here that were Christmas paper that, let me see, that are all sealed. Where's that other one with more color on it? Hopefully I haven't dropped it. This one here. It's a little tiny one like that. So, some of these look like seashells to me. I don't know. Do they look like seashells to you? They do me. I think a lot of them look like seashells. I have a couple of little white ones I did. When you get tired of doing color ones, just turn your paper over and do some white ones, and then you can put whatever you want on the top of them. Here's a little black bead. So cute. So, yeah, this is what I've been doing while I'm watching TV. And, I hope you can forgive me for not doing journal stuff, but this is for my journal. This is going to be, I'm going to make some beautiful tassels, and I'll do that on video, and I'm going to make some, hanging down beads for the ends of my book. So I hope, if you want to see this, how it's done, it's very easy. I can do one right here for you real quick, or you probably already know how to do this. But this one I'm going to do right here. This is a 3mm end. This is just a quilling tool or a paper bead tool. You can find them on Amazon. You can find them online just about anywhere. You just put your little end in here and you start rolling. And I'm telling you, it's that easy. It's that easy. Cutting, I think, is the hardest part. Now, this is going to be a real teeny tiny bead, but I like little beads. And I like big beads too, but they all have their purpose. And so you get down to the end, you have a little spot here, and you take your glue and just dab it on here like that, and you close it. And I'll count to about 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then I'll pull it off. And just to make sure it's straight on both ends, I just touch the ends and they scooch in there perfectly. So this is what it looks like when it's all done. And then you cure it by putting your sealant on, and there you have a little bead. Is that so darling? Check that out. So anyway, I'll put it in here because this is all the ones that have nothing on them. So if you'd be interested in seeing that done, we can do some of that. So let me know, and I'll see you later. Bye-bye.